Hi everybody, today we are going to discuss syllabus of different DCA exam. As all of in the DCA exam dates are very near and this exam is very important to all of you because unless you do not clear this exam with distinction, you are not going to get digital package. In this video, we'll discuss about exam pattern like how many codes will be there, how many MCQ will be there. Is there any DCA in which there is no codes, like there are no codes asked in those DCA? So we'll discuss each and everything one by one. So as far as the codes are concerned, codes will be asked only in 3 DCA: DCA Java, DCA Python and DCA C hash. Okay, other than this, in no DCA codes will be asked. Okay, only these 3 DCA have codes, all other DCA have only MCQs. Okay, now in these 3 DCAs we have 25 codes, 25 MCQs and 1 code. So last time they asked 2 codes, but this time they are reducing it to 1 code. Even if they are asking 2 code, to do both the codes, so try to focus on MCQs, and if you are able to do somehow 1 code, that is good. Okay, now let's talk about different DCAs. Now if we talk about other DCA like DCA PLSQL, DCA Selenium, DCA testing, so in those DCAs they will be asking only MCQs. Okay, and those MCQ will be around, I think, 40 to 50. Okay, let's say 40. Okay, and you have to do it 1 hour. Okay, the number of MCQ they may increase, but for the time being let's assume it to be 40. Okay, syllabus of different DCA exam. So first discuss about automation testing and Selenium. So what is automation testing? What is automation testing needed? Benefits of testing, when to automate, decide best automation tools, why not to automate, end-to-end testing. Topics on Selenium. Selenium WebDriver commands, navigation command, web element locators, web element commands, select class, JavaScript executor, alert handling, Selenium wait commands, window handle, frame handle, action class, file upload, option class. So for Windows 10 admin, install, create installation media, migrate to Windows 10, configure and manage device drivers, configure updates, monitor events and performance, backup, restore. Okay, configure and support core services, networking, storage. So you can take the screenshot. Okay, there are some more. PowerShell for Active Directory administrators, console, ISC, user account, group account management, inactive accounts, update and modify Active Directory, remote management, ADC features, recycle bin. Linux admin, installation fundamentals, intermediate skills, system logging, boot process, disk management, logical volume manager, SAP ABAP, core ABAP topic including DDIC, classical report, interactive report, data declaration, internal table, select query, event, modulation techniques, ALV and smart forms. For Oracle PL SQL, SQL group by, order by, with, aggregate, operation, procedure, function, package, cursor, exceptions, views, metallized views, triggers. For Angular, server side, client side rendering, AOT compilation, understanding about Angular versions. Like this, you can take a screenshot. For Power Platform, you can take a screenshot. Now if you go down, there are so many topics, so you can take the screenshot. For Java, you can take the screenshot. Spring Boot, JDBC, concurrent collection, serialization, deserialization, synchronization, generics, exception handling, multi-threading, collection framework, string handling, like that. For .NET, you can see here, take a screenshot. I am holding for 2 seconds. For C hash, you can take a screenshot. For ServiceNow, for platform testing, iOS, Android, Python, Scala. I have missed one, DW Informatica. For that, you can take a screenshot. Data mart, metadata repository, dimensional data model, star, snowflake schema, slowly changing dimensions, ETL, type of abstract and all. Okay, so guys, I have discussed almost syllabus of different DCAs. So please take a screenshot and prepare accordingly, and please subscribe the channel for getting more updates. Okay.